Hey, I'm Jenny. I'm the Vintage Recipe Hero, bringing you one retro recipe back from the past every week into your modern kitchens. And this week we're going to be making mayonnaise, which is a little bit problematic for me because in Japanese I'm what they call maora, which in English basically translates to mayonnaise addict. So while I'm very excited to learn how to make mayonnaise with you today, I'm also a little bit nervous because then I will know how to make mayonnaise. And I feel that this mayonnaise is going to be superior to what we buy in the bottles, but that might just be wishful thinking. Today's recipe is coming from Traditional Ukrainian Cookery, a book that was published in 1957 in Winnipeg, Canada. Go Canada! And if you watched my tomato aspic salad video, you will know that this is the very expensive book worth $500. But don't worry, I'm not going to charge you $500 to learn from it. That's free! For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of cooking oil. That's why they say mayonnaise is fattening. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of dry mustard, half a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of cayenne, which I roughly translated to 1/8 of a teaspoon, a tablespoon of lemon juice, I recommend fresh, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, which you probably can't see because it's clear, as well as 2 egg yolks. You can cook up the whites for lunch. Okay, let's feed my addiction and get to it. That was so simple, I can't even believe it. I can't believe I've never made mayonnaise before. But it's the moment of truth, and I haven't tried it yet, so I shouldn't be praising it so soon. I didn't even lick the beater. I'm being totally honest here. This is my first time to try it, and I'm going in with a spoon because who cares? It smells nice and vinegary. It smells almost like tartar sauce. That's really nice. You do have that bit of the back taste of the vegetable oil, which is kind of like, I might use olive oil next time. But the tartness from the vinegar and the lemon is really nice and is reminding me more of a tartar sauce, just because the mayonnaise that we buy commercially now doesn't have a bite to it anymore. This is a winner. I can't wait to like make some potatoes or make an egg. I'm gonna boil eggs and make an egg salad sandwich with this. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed making this mayonnaise with me. Or if you didn't make it with me and you just were watching curious, you really should make it. Next time you need egg salad sandwiches or you're having people over and like you want an alternate salad dressing even, this would be a delicious salad dressing. I really suggest making this and people will ask you where you bought it, I guarantee. And you can tell them, I jumped in my time machine and went back to 1957. Or you cannot, because that's not even really funny. You just tell them, honestly. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. We are putting up new videos every week. And by we, I mean me, because I have to do everything because I don't have the money to pay anyone to help me. Thank you so much for watching and cheers.